Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a phenomenally unisex wig. This is Naomi in the color medium brown from Envy. So right off the bat, I mean, I know you can tell, right? This is a dynamite unisex wig. I mean, I could very easily see a man pulling this one off. It's kind of clever that way, actually. I will say that this one fits me a little bit on the small side. I got a big head though, so I think that that's pretty normal for me. I think this one fits kind of true to average, maybe even a little bit smaller than that. Yeah, has beautiful razored texture up here. And it would take almost no effort at all to take a little bit of styling cream and style this one off the face like it is in the product post. See, I didn't even put anything in it, and it just is kind of going along with it. Like, I did not put anything on this. Oh, oh, this is totally Rachel Maddow hair. Oh, that's fun. I do wish it had slightly longer sideburns. I think that's really, see how short those are? Yeah, that's really my only beef with it. Let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what Naomi looks like on all sides. I do love the front on this wig. It does have a lace front, you can see there. So, and I'll talk about that a little bit more. I'll push up on my forehead so you can actually see the knotting a little bit better. So you can see it's a little bit sparse, but if you get it right up on your hairline, you don't really notice it. And it still looks pretty good. So yeah, I love the front on this one. This is so fun. I love all the layering here off to the side. I'm not usually a short hair person, but this one's kind of funky. I like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take Naomi off now so I can show you the cap construction. So we have an open cap wig that has a contoured lace front, open sides and back. And it also has an extended nape. It's an open nape. It adjusts a bit like a bra strap back here, and closed ear tabs. The ear tabs are a little shallow. In fact, I think the cap in general on this one is kind of small. And it doesn't really stretch a whole lot. I think that this one could stretch because it is mostly open. And so that material is way more given to being lax than monofilament, which doesn't really stretch much. I'm gonna go ahead and put Naomi back on for you now. On this one, I'm wearing the glasses underneath the ear tab because the ear tab's so shallow. Get that right up on my hairline. Yeah, this one's super fun. Because it's open, you can part it anywhere. You just gotta play with it. Because I mean, no matter where you part it, there's gonna be a little bit of permatease there. Heck, you could probably pile it all up. Oh, there's so much you could do with something like this. Even though it's short, it's got so much texture that you can really have fun with it. I actually really like it. This is one instance where the fact that, you know, most Envy wigs have a little bit extra hair in the front compared to other wigs. They've got a little bit more volume in the front. This is one example where that's really fun because you can do a lot with this much hair up here. And you can get a lot of different textures. The front, as you could probably tell, is super short. It's only 2.5 inches. Very easy to style, by the way. The crown down is 2.75, so again, very short back here. And the sides are also 2.5. The nape is only 1.75 inches. So if you buy this one, make sure that if you decide to keep it, cut the tags out in the back. So that way they don't accidentally make a surprise appearance when you least expect it. It's just better to eliminate that anxiety altogether and just snip out the tags. So, but only if you want to keep it. Naomi is ridiculously lightweight as well. She's under 2 ounces. That is really light. So it barely feels like anything's on my head, and if it were a little bigger, I'd be in heaven right now. It's beautiful. I highly recommend it. This would be a dynamite unisex wig. So hopefully, if you're in the market for something like that, I've helped you out. This is Naomi by Envy in the color medium brown. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.